Hi everybody, it's Miss Kristen here. I wanted to give you a quick demonstration on how to make homemade Play-Doh. It's easy to do, it's fun, it doesn't take very long, maybe about 5 minutes, and it's something you can do at home with your little one. This is what it looks like when it's all finished. We made this a while ago. And you're going to need just a few basic ingredients that you probably have in your pantry. You'll need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of salt, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla or any other kind of flavoring, and food coloring. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is mix up all of your dry ingredients in a pan. So I'm putting in my 1 cup of flour right here. I'm putting in my 1/2 cup of salt. And I'm putting in my 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. I'm using 1/2 teaspoon measuring spoon, so I'm going to use 4 of these. And we're going to want to stir this all up to where it's mixed up really well. And then we're going to go ahead and add our wet ingredients. We're going to put in our 1 cup of water. And we're going to put in our 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to stir that up where it's mixed up pretty well. It'll still be a little bit lumpy, and that's okay. Next, I'm going to add my flavoring. This is to make it smell nice. You don't have to do that. It's optional. Usually I put in vanilla. Sometimes I like to add different things. I'm going to go ahead and put in mint flavoring right now because I have that here at home. Add a little drop of mint flavoring. Mix that up really good. And then last is the fun part. It's the food coloring. This is the part that your child can help you with. I'm going to put in green right now just because it's spring and that's a fun springtime color. I'm going to put in 2 drops. You can make it as dark or as light as you want to do it. And kids love to see the color changing. I'm going to go ahead and stir that. Next step is to cook it for a little while on the stove. You're going to cook it on kind of medium heat. And you're just going to stir it constantly, and you'll see it start to get thicker. The recipe says to stir it for about 3 minutes or so. It doesn't always take that long though. And if you want to go ahead and add more food coloring in while you're stirring it to make it darker, that's perfectly fine. And you'll see it start to solidify in a little while. Turn it up just a little bit. And you just want to keep stirring it. Get out all the lumps while you're stirring it. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And keep stirring. You can see it's already starting to get solidified here. You want to scrape the edges so it doesn't burn. It's such a pretty shade of green. Almost done. You want to have a piece of wax paper or parchment paper out to put it on after it's all all hard. It's going to be a little bit sticky until it cools, and that's perfectly fine. There we go. That looks about right. I'm going to turn off my stove. I'm going to come over here to my parchment paper that I have on the counter. I'm just going to drop that in. And the final step that you want to do is knead it. I'm going to scrape it off my spoon, and it's going to be a little bit hot. So you don't want to let your kids do this step quite yet. But you're going to knead it together. But once it cools off, this is a lot of fun for kids to do, is just to take their hands and knead it. It's really hot. All right, and you can let it cool for a minute, but pretty soon it's going to turn into Play-Doh just like this. And you can store it in an airtight Ziploc bag for a while. It lasts quite a while. So that's all. I hope you all have fun making Play-Doh. See you soon. Bye-bye.